Have you ever decided to change how you dealt with money and then all of a sudden there's so much temptation around you to blow it? You see a friend who just bought a new car or has the hottest shoes right now, and here you are cutting back and trying to save just to get out of debt or buy a house.
Well, I'm Nicole.
And I'm Nadia.
And we are the Wealth Twins. And what Nadia just described is just like a story about the grasshopper and the ant.
Yeah, if you're not familiar with the story, the grasshopper loved to play all day while the ants worked morning to night preparing for winter. When winter came and food was hard to find, the ants were good because they prepared. The grasshopper, on the other hand, was starving and desperate and had to beg those same ants for food.
It's easy to get caught up in short-term thinking and spend all your money now while you have it on stuff like cars, clothes, and ball out because you deserve it.
You deserve it.
But if you only focus on making and spending money now and not investing and storing that money into assets, you will end up like the grasshopper, especially when that money unexpectedly stops flowing when you are laid off, injured, or can't work.
Yeah, just look at the fact that 60% of pro basketball players lose basically all the money they made within 5 years of leaving the NBA. Or the 78% of pro football players who go bankrupt within 2 years that they stop playing.
Keep your focus and invest to build wealth. Be the ant.
Yeah, don't be the grasshopper.
Now, here are 6 tips to make it easier for you to stay focused and build wealth regardless of where you are starting. Number 1, begin with the end in mind. Ask yourself, what do you want your life to look like when you have money and it's under control and working for you? Take the time and really create that picture in your mind. And if you need to, make a vision board to start envisioning the life you want.
Yeah, this exercise will not only help you clarify what you want, but it will also get your subconscious mind to start moving in the same direction as your goals. The vision board will serve as a reminder to help keep you focused, okay? So, number 2, to go along with number 1, you need to get a planner. Now, let's be honest, just looking at the pictures of a vision board is not going to do the trick. Life is not that easy, okay? Yeah. You still need to put in that work to get to where you want to go. Get a good planner, and at the same time, that planner, you need to use it. That same planner will help you detail where you want to go and how to get there.
Yeah, get the planner, make a plan, and start executing on that plan.
Yep.
Now, tip number 3, pick a career or a job that will allow you to level up. Go for positions that will allow you to grow either in terms of money or in skills. Even better, if they allow you to do both.
If they allow you to do both, jump on that job.
Yeah,
okay?
Looking back on it now, there were a couple of jobs I turned down that paid less, but in hindsight, I would have happily taken now because of the skills I would have learned, okay? Those skills would have helped me get closer to my goals earlier and shave off the years that I spent at other jobs.
Yeah.
We weren't thinking long term.
Nope.
We
were just thinking about getting paid more, okay? Tip number 4, focus on making money outside of your job. Now, a lot of people will tell you to go for side hustles. Depending on the job you have, that may be feasible, okay? When we were just starting out, I would bartend on the side, Nicole would DJ, and that would help us pay off our bills.
That's when we were cool, guys.
Yeah, that were cool. However, when we had jobs that required us to work 12 hours to 16-hour days, the last thing we were thinking about was a side hustle. That's why we got into real estate, to make more money, with bringing some passive income to help with expenses. Now, maybe real estate or side hustles are not for you, right?
If it's not, you could also try to make overtime, right? Putting in those hours can be beneficial in the short term and can help you pay off debt and get your money under control. After that, you get that money, you can start investing and making your future brighter.
Yeah, if overtime is not an option, determine what you need to do in order to get a raise or a bonus at your current job. Once, all it took for me to get a raise was to show an offer that I received from another company, show that to my boss, they matched it and threw in a bonus to help me stay.
We used whatever funds we had coming in to pay off school debt and to start investing. Investing in the stock market is one of the easiest ways to buy assets and start building wealth.
Exactly.
Without actually having to put down a lot of money, okay? When you first start to invest, we suggest buying companies that pay you just for holding them.
Yeah. Now, tip number 5, keep track of your net worth. Your net worth is how you measure your wealth. Without tracking it, you will not know where your money is going and how much progress you're making towards building wealth.
It's true.
Now, we understand this is a situation most people want to avoid. You know, like when you can't even bring yourself to open your bills or check your bank accounts and see how bad it really is. For me, I would rather do laundry or go to the doctor than sit down and look at my finances at one point. Okay? But tracking your net worth will help you detail what you owe and what's taking out money out of your pocket, and then what assets you have that are bringing money in and helping you build wealth.
Yeah, it's an easy exercise to do, and it really shouldn't take you long to find out actually what your net worth is.
Yeah.
Once you know what your net worth is, you can start making a plan to increase it. Now, we have a net worth sheet that you can download for free in the description, so just click that link and stop avoiding it and just do it.
Yeah, take it from me. It's a very good exercise for you, okay? Tip number 6, diversify your wealth. If you want to limit the risk of losing all of your money, you need to diversify and not keep it in the same place. Sprinkle your money across different investments that you understand, and then set a plan to monitor on a regular basis. You know, sprinkle it like Salt Bae.
Okay, if you follow these tips, we believe you can avoid the trap of only focusing on money and instead start building wealth for you and those that you love.
If you enjoyed this video, show these twins some love, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And remember, share this with someone you care about.
See you guys in the next video.
See you in the next video.